2018 Mercedes E43 3.0 twin turbo V6. Beautiful looking car. What we got done on it, it's got factory converters way up there and right there. It's got flex pipes. And what we did is a mid resonator delete right there with a white pipe, beautifully done. Beautiful welds. And it goes back into its stock mufflers. Right there and right there with stock tips built into the valence. Got a nice carbon fiber wing, really cleanly done, very good looking car. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Sound decibel? About 95.
You gotta put it in the Sport Plus.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Here, 1 second. We'll put it in Sport Plus mode. Okay, so this is Sport Plus mode. Yeah, a little louder.
A little bit.
Sound decibels? One more time? Yeah, about 95 at the peak. Go ahead and back it out. Alright. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Wow. Hey, launch control. That's awesome.